Okay, so good morning each and everyone. So our video for today is all about the packet tracer, implement port security. So as you can see here, there's the addressing table. So these are devices, the switch one, the PC1, the PC2, and the rogue laptop. So these three devices, the PC1, rogue laptop, are they are the end devices or the endpoint devices that the end users are using to connect to the internet. And for the objective of this Packet Tracer Part 1, Configure Port Security. Then Part 2, Verify Port Security. So for the background, in this activity, you will configure and verify port security on the switch. Port security allows you to restrict a port's ingress traffic by limiting MAC addresses that are allowed to send traffic into the port. So let's start. First, we're gonna make it a multitask. Looks like a multitasking. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, so let's start. So it said here for the step one, configure port security. Now, letter A, access the command line for S1 and enable port security on fast Ethernet port 0-1 and 0-2. So we're gonna click the S1 and then for the, oh, sorry, click for the CLI. And then we're gonna type interface range F0 1 to 2. Okay, so it's wrong. First, we're gonna. Okay, so let's go back. First, we're gonna type. Sorry, we're gonna just first type enable. So just in show run. Okay, at the end, and then the next thing that we will do is config T. After doing that config, we're gonna put this interface or int is first int range f0 dash 1 to 2. Okay, we're gonna type switch port port security, and after that we're gonna type the switch port, then put that kind of thing, security, port security, MAC address, MAC, then that kind of thing, address sticky. Okay, after putting it, let's follow the steps. After putting it, let's put this one. Switch port, sorry, switch port security. So as you can see, it has the same command that we're using. We're just changing the thing at the back part of the command. As you can see, switch port security violation restrict. Okay. And after that, we're gonna put interface range f0-3 to 24 slash space g0-1 to 2. Okay, after putting it, we're gonna go to the step 2. I'm gonna leave that behind. Thing. Just gonna follow. Okay, let's exit this part, and then we're gonna go to from PC1 ping PC2. So we're gonna go to the PC1 and then go to the desktop, go to terminal. I think it's here. I'm sorry, this one. So they verify the port security is enabled and the MAC address of PC1 PC2 were added to the running configuration. So did that S1 hashtag show run report security address attach regulator to any unused port and notice the link that the lights are red. Enable the port and verify the rogue laptop can ping PC1 PC2 up to the and shut down the port connected to rogue laptop. So first we're gonna look what is the IP configuration. I'm sorry. What is the yes the IP configuration of this thing? So it is IP address copy. I'm gonna ping it from PC1. So we're gonna do it in a command prompt. So ping if it's right. So it's pinging. We're already pinging it. And okay. So it said that it received and the packet said is and it's ongoing. The process is going. After pinging, use particular visual command to display configuration display. So we're adding to running configuration. So we're gonna go again to the S1. Show run. I'm sorry. I was invalid command, so let's go now. Let's do it here. Oh, it's not here also. Okay, so let's continue. So we're gonna go here to the S1. Then we're gonna type exit. Exit. For us to go in that particular thing that we're gonna do here. So we're gonna put show run. How to do that thing? Show run. Okay, I'm really having a hard time finding that symbol. Where can I find it? Not that one. VPN surface. Always be yeah, that's it. It shows the thing. Then after that, we're gonna say show port security. After it will show the security. So as you can see, the F01 and the F02 is a strict. As like what we've done while ago, we put a command that said here that switch port security violation restrict, and that's it. It shows it here. Then after putting that thing, we're gonna show port security address. So it shows you the security address. So as we can see, like what we put while ago is we put the switch port security MAC address sticky. So it is it's there already. Then after putting that, gonna attach the rogue laptop to any unused port and notice the link lights are red. So how we'll connect it. Okay, so the next thing that we will do is to connect the rogue laptop to the switch port. So we're gonna use this copper straight through. I'm gonna connect this one. Then we're gonna connect this rogue laptop with the fast Ethernet 0 to the S1. Gonna use the fast Ethernet 03. Then oh, as you can see, it's all green. It's not red already. But let's try it. Let's try the thing. What will happen if we're gonna do it? Maybe we've done something right. So we're gonna try config T. including config int f03. I'm sorry, int f0 int f0 dash 3. Then no shutdown. Okay, so it's all green. Nothing happens. So let's go with the PC1 and let's try the command prompt and let's try ipconfig space dash in document ipconfig space dash as you can see it's there already. Okay, and it said here that we will we will reconnect or we will disconnect the old laptop. So let's click this one and then thing and escape. And then we're gonna also reconnect this one, the thing, and that escape. We're gonna use this thing, connect this, pass it turn 0 to this, and pass it turn 2, and then we're gonna do the ping command prompt. Let's ping. It's IP configuration. It's 10.10.10.410. 10 point, sorry, 10.10.10.10. It's pinging already. Okay, so we're gonna do display the port security violation for the port. Disconnected. Let's try connecting this one again. We're gonna use F02. Okay, so this might not gonna happen because I'm connected this one here, the F02. Let's disconnect this first. Escape, then connect this one. F0. I sorry. Press turn it 1 to this with the F02, and then let's check. Show port security. Port security interface F0-2. Oh, sorry. Gotta put exit. Show port security interface F0-2. So it shows it all. After doing the thing, version have occurred violation. There is how many violations? You can show it all in the way. Okay, then we're gonna disconnect this again. No, 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 this one. So if we're gonna connect this thing with a switch, and then it has to turn it to, and why is basically able to be. Okay, so that's all. I hope that you learned something about this packet tracer, and then I hope that this serves as a good, foundation for you for your networking subject, and also for those who are taking a job in terms in the field of networking. I hope that this will serve as a guide for you in some kinds of problem that you're having when you are doing something in your network. Thank you so much, and good morning and goodbye.